Is your FIAT 500X key fob not working? First, the most common culprit is a dead battery. The fob uses a CR2032 battery, typically lasting 1 to 2 years. To replace it, carefully pry open the fob, avoid metal tools, and insert a new battery. If a new battery doesn't solve the issue, the fob likely needs reprogramming. Try this. Insert the key, turn the ignition to on without starting the engine, and within 10 seconds, press the lock-unlock buttons on the fob. For models with Uconnect, you can also reprogram the fob through the infotainment settings menu. These steps should resolve most common key fob issues. If battery replacement and reprogramming don't work, antenna interference could be the problem. The keyless entry system's antennas, located near the door handles and trunk, can be disrupted by metal objects or electromagnetic fields. To reset, disconnect the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes to clear the ECU's memory, or use an OBD2 scanner to cycle the immobilizer. Looking ahead, FIAT 500X is moving towards digital key sharing via smartphones and potentially fob-free entry using facial recognition. Keep your Uconnect system updated for the latest software improvements and security patches.